No business can be successful long-term unless it has trademarked its brand.
So as a responsible investor, I want to make sure the company I'm planning to invest in has trademarked its brand.
You can make great profits selling your products or services today, but if you don't own your brand, then you don't have a business that's set up for lasting success.
If there's one thing I've learned about brands, is that your brand is not worth much if you don't own it.
And the only way to make sure you own your brand is to trademark your brand before somebody else does.
Speak to sell. It's our trademark, and that has given us a lot of power. We've done over $40 million of sales from this home-based business. And I know that a lot of it is, that when you name the game, and I'll add that you trademark the game, you own the game.
There's literally no point in building a brand unless you own your name. So one of the first things we did in 1977 was we went ahead and trademarked the name Twisted Sister.
You can't ever use the name FUBU anywhere in the world. A universal trademark costs $50,000, but I started off with just $2,500.
I was able to stand to multi-billion-dollar bullies is because I registered my trademarks and I did it correctly. That was one of the most important things I've ever done.
All the things that you put into, designing, branding, getting people to know, and that kind of thing is now protective and can't be taken by someone brand new into the market who has an idea and just scoops it up and runs away with it.
I recommend to entrepreneurs it's very, very important to trademark your name and protect your name in advance. If you're going to spend any effort, time, effort, money in promoting your brand and growing your business, you have to protect your brand like day one.
So if you're out there trying to get the world to discover your business, you got to trademark your brand right away before it's too late. Why would you spend time, money, and effort building a brand you don't own?
Taking ownership of your brand isn't a luxury, it's a necessity.
That's why I want to give a big shout out to Trademark Factory, the only firm in the world that offers trademarking services with a guaranteed result for a guaranteed budget.
Big shout out to Trademark Factory.
I want to give a big shout out to Trademark Factory.
And I want to give a big shout out to a company that can help you trademark your brand like nobody else will. It's called Trademark Factory. They offer trademarking services with a guaranteed result for a guaranteed budget. I mean, you pay once and you either get your trademark or you get your money back. No other firm that I know of offers anything like that.
You pay once and you either get your trademark or you get a full 100% refund. Now that's what I like a lot about it.
I've spent, tens of thousands of dollars on trademarking over 20 years and protecting my assets. And when I found Andre, it was just a whole different experience. Gave me a quote up front, lived to the quote, delivered exactly what he said he was going to deliver. And it was just so wonderful to see these trademarking certificates just appear in the mail, and you open them up and you know that it's done. Yeah, there it is. Yeah, and you know that it's
bubble envelope.
Yeah, and it's just the coolest thing.
What's really cool about Trademark Factory is they offer trademark services with a guaranteed result and a guaranteed budget. No other firm that I know of offers anything like this. It's literally lights out for all trademark services out there.
You pay once, and that one fee covers everything from filing to registration. Trademark Factory can help you trademark your brand in the US, Canada, and pretty much anywhere else in the world. And the best part is, if your trademark doesn't go through, you get all your money back. Nobody else does this. Only Trademark Factory does this. So if you want your trademark done right with a 100% money back guarantee, check out Trademark Factory and see if they can help you protect your brand.
So if you're thinking of getting a trademark, I definitely recommend you check out Trademark Factory.
If you want your trademarks done right, check out Trademark Factory.
Trademark Factory! Yeah!
If you value your brand, your time, and your money, check out Trademark Factory. They're the real deal.
Get it trademarked with Trademark Factory.